In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deal in HubSpot CRM following the 2025 update. Whether you're looking to add a deal manually from the deals dashboard or through a contact or company record, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate deals into your sales process using HubSpot CRM. First off, let's start by creating a deal manually from the deals dashboard. Begin by navigating to the CRM and then click on Deals. You might also find this under Sales and then Deals, depending on your setup. Once you're in the Deals section, you'll notice a Create Deal button located at the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will initiate the process. Once you've clicked Create Deal, a form will open up for you to fill in various details about the deal. Start by giving your deal a distinctive name. This could be anything descriptive that helps you instantly recognize what the deal pertains to. Next, you'll need to assign a deal stage and choose the relevant pipeline. These selections will help you and your team track the progress of the deal efficiently. Moving forward, enter the amount that the deal represents. It's also essential to select a close date for when you anticipate the deal to conclude. Don't forget to assign a deal owner, which is typically the team member responsible for following this deal through to completion. Once you've filled in these fields, there's an opportunity to associate the deal with other existing records within your CRM. Under the section titled Associate Deal With, link the deal to relevant contacts, companies, or any line items that are pertinent. This helps in keeping your CRM organized and allows for easy retrieval of related information when needed. After you have completed entering all required information, you can finalize this process by clicking Create Deal. If you're planning to add another deal right after this one, simply choose Create and Add Another. Now, if you prefer to create a deal directly from an existing contact or company record, here's how. Open the specific contact or company record you're interested in. Once there, look over to the sidebar on your screen and scroll down until you see a section marked Deals. Next to this section, you'll find a plus Add button. Clicking this will bring up a new tab specifically for creating a new deal for that contact or company. In this newly opened tab, you'll want to fill in the required fields, much like you did with the Deals dashboard method. Add in the deal's name, stage, pipeline, amount, and close date, ensuring also to assign it to a deal owner. Once everything's in place, finalize by pressing the Create button. And there you have it. Creating a deal in HubSpot CRM is as straightforward as that. Whether you're working from the deals dashboard or directly off a contact or company record, you're now equipped with the knowledge to do so efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps in smoothly managing your sales processes.